Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj's YouTube channel. Have you ever imagined getting paid by testing the food product, smelling the new fragrance, or just testing the product before they hit the market? In today's video, we are going to talk about the Curion. Curion is a product test company which will make you earn more money just participating in their test cycle. So I will tell you in today's video how you can sign up for this, how you can participate in the studies and their research, and how you can make the money. First thing first, what is Curion? Curion is a sensory research company that conducts consumer product testing for various industries. And let me tell you one more thing. This Curion works with well-known brands before their product hits to the market. So now I will show you how you can sign up for the Curion and how you can participate in the surveys and start earning the money. So let me share my screen. So here, what you have to do, you have to go to the google.com and here you can type the Curion. So you have to select this one, Curion Insight, or Curion, you can select Home Curion Insight. You have to select this, and here you will see this sign up button. You go here, and one more thing here, if you see, it is the consumer product industry. You see they have all the food products and the different product like fashion, beauty, electronics, for like if you have something to eat, food, beverages, drink, all those things. So once you click on the sign up, then you go here, and here you are going to provide the name. As for time being, I'm going to provide my name, let's say, and you have to provide this detail. Then you can provide this number. Then here the important thing you should know that you select the location. Like why we need to select the location? Sometime like product testing is being performed in that location, you can go perform in person testing and you can make the money. But here, for example, if your location is not listed here, what you can do, you can say I want to participate but I cannot easily able to any of these locations. So you can select this option. You have to provide this email address, and then you can provide the phone number also. So why you need to provide the phone number and email? Because you are going to get the alert. So you are going to get the text alert, email alert, like this survey is available. That's why you have to, it is mandatory to provide it. And state, you can select like whatever the state is. And here I will pass this. So let me refresh it and okay, QY. So once you provide all this detail, what you have to do, you have to click on the submit. Okay, now it will ask you, you might be getting the email notification. You will receive the email notification. Then there you have to acknowledge that yes, you are creating the account, and you confirm over there in the email. Now you see I got the email notification from Curion, so you will get the similar notification. What you have to do here, now you go ahead and click on the activate your account. So this will make sure your account is activated, and now you can log in here. So I can use the same email address as I provided earlier, and after that one will give me. So here you see what we are going to do. We are going to provide the email, and then you can provide your password and confirm password, and then click on login. So here I'm going to tell you what you can get it, like how you can sign up for the surveys, how you can get the more surveys, and how you will be making the money. So you will get this welcome page. You can click on the continue. And here you have to provide the couple of details, like so why they need this detail. So once your profile is complete, based on that they are going to provide you the more surveys. So once it will match, like when before any surveys coming to you or any testing is coming to you, they will check what is in your profile. So what is matching with your profile, based on that they will forward the testing notification to you or surveys to you. So here you can just provide the detail as your like whatever you want. I'm providing this detail. So they ask for the children. Why they want the children? Because sometimes there is some like candies kind of thing, like candies are there, or some baby's food product, they want you to test it. So in that case they can send those surveys to you also, and you can provide the annual salary whatever it is there, just like that. And you can provide like your full-time, part-time, whatever you can provide here. and graduated, what is your education, and you can provide here all those things. After that, this is the many more important thing, like do you have allergies or sensitivities to any of the items below. So why they want to know? So if they have, like, let's say you have an allergy with peanut or fish, they won't send those kind of surveys to you because they don't want you to participate on those kind of surveys. So that's why it is very important. If you have any kind of allergies in this, you can select it, so they will not forward you that kind of surveys to you. So here I'm just putting for time being peanuts, or you can select the none of the above. How much grocery shopping you do, like you can say I share the responsibility or I do something, whoever is doing. You can provide the phone number, and then how did you get to know? You can just say Google link or say Google YouTube channel. Then you click on continue. So it will say make sure all the responses are recorded. So here maybe it is asking for phone number. It is asking for one of the items which cannot be here. So once you selected all of them, you can select the other. So you click here, continue. So you can say here like YouTube video. Okay. So this is the main other important to help us match you with a study that will be good fit for you. So what here, like whatever you are interested, like you are interested in food, you can select you are interested in baked good, burger, chicken wings, all those things. Whatever you are interested, you can select those items over here. Then what will happen in that case? Whenever they have new survey available that will match first with your profile you have selected, those kind of surveys will come to you. Then click on continue. So here what is, congratulations, you have 100 consumer reward points. So once you sign up, also then you get some point which you convert it to your dollar amount, and then you can get it. So for time being, what you can do, you just click on the continue. So once sign up process is done, what you are going to do, you have to come in this homepage Curion, and here it will ask you a couple of things, like say I will navigate you what we have in the dashboard. So it says which of the following alcoholic beverages you have consumed most often in the past 90 days. So it will keep asking you some certain question based on like every month something, whatever your interest. So if you have interest, they think if you are having this kind of thing, they can forward those surveys to you. If it is not matching, you can just select none of them and submit your response here. So now other thing, here is the response, like how you can participate in the surveys. You see surveys you have in progress. So for example, I might have submitted some surveys, so it will come in this like whatever the survey we have in progress. So you submit here, and then you have to sometime what happens, these surveys you can go participate in person, or sometimes they will send product to your home. You can perform the testing, and then you can upload your feedback over there. And the other thing, how you can find out the survey, here you see the available surveys. So you can say click on view all the surveys, and you can go one by one and then participate in that. So let me show you for time being. Let's say these are the couple of available surveys to me. What I will do, I will just select on this one of them. So it says we are recruiting participants to take a part in one-day test test. You will be required to come for our facility on this day for 30 minutes. So if you come for our facility for 30 minutes, they are going to perform some survey and testing, and you will get the $100 gift card or $100. So if you are available and willing to participate, you can say yes. Otherwise, you can say you can go back. Then let me show you other thing. So this 30 minutes you are getting the $40. Let me show you one more other thing. Let's sell like this one. This is again $30. Just for $30, it will be in person. You can go and you will make the $40 in 30 minutes. Let me show you which one I wanted to show. Yeah, this is another one which it says you have to come on facility. It will be 45 minutes and you can make the $45. So you have to go all these surveys, and if you are like willing to participate online, you can select which one is online and you participate in that survey. And sometime what happens, definitely they can send some product to you at your home, and then you can perform the testing and then submit your feedback. Other thing, let me tell you, this is the surveys. Let's say I have selected the surveys and in progress. So how you're going to complete them? Here you are going to like first confirm, are you willing to participate? Yes or no. Let's say I am willing to participate. Then what happens? They are going to send you email notification like that. you will be getting the email notification and what is it, some of the information are correct or not. These are the details they are asking. So this is how you can participate in surveys and testing and perform like all the testing and submit your feedback. So let me talk about next thing is how you can make the more money using this platform. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to complete your profile. So once your profile is completed, and this Curion platform will check what is matching with your profile, and they are going to send you all the notification related to that test whenever it is available. And you have to check if the some of the testing is available in person in nearby your city. You can go and participate in it. Other thing, you have to keep checking your email. They might be sending email all the time, and you will get the email notification. Also, you will get the phone text also. So you can keep checking. Then whatever it is suitable for you, can keep applying those testing products. This is the thing, you can apply multiple surveys, multiple testing projects, and you can make the more monies. And next thing, let's talk about how you are going to get paid. So here, once you perform, first you have to participate in the survey or testing project. Once you complete your testing cycle and you submit your feedback, what happens, they are going to give you the pay based on the a gift card, or they can sometimes directly deposit your bank account. The most option is that they are going to give you some gift card or virtual card which you can use for online marketing. So this is how you get paid using the Curion platform, and how you see all this whatever the surveys available to me as per my profile. Every survey is giving me $30, $50, $60, $70 based on their different scenario. So and as per your time availability, you can perform this survey and get the extra income. Last important thing, let me tell you, Curion earning. Here you can see how you are making the money. So here, when you sign up, you get some $100 redeems point, which you convert to dollar also. If you can go here and click on the redeem, it will convert your 100 points to your some $0.6. It is not that much, but much more point you can convert to the dollar amount. So this is how you can use the Curion platform to register yourself, participate in the survey, and make extra income. So let me know in the comment what you think about this video, and is it helping you or not. So this will help me to explore more for the new videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.